What happens when Squid Game meets Subway Fun? 2 players, 2 guards, and a game like no other. Who will win? The stakes are high in this Subway showdown.